All right, welcome back. I had a couple questions this summer in class. Basically, how to install these earplugs. These classic 3M is what we use here at the class here at Learn to Forge. And they come out pretty simple. The pack comes with 2 of them, 1 for each ear, hopefully got 2 ears. And then you have, basically it's a cylinder. You gotta pinch down one side. So you kind of roll it between your fingers like so. Once you get it small enough, you can stick it in your ear, hold it slightly while it expands. It'll expand to the size of that inner ear and get a good snug fit. And then you just do the same thing once again on the other side. So you roll it down halfway so you get the a smaller end, stick it in, let it expand, and there you go. So if you like these kind of tips, hit subscribe and the notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.